Hey everyone, welcome to Westanime tutorials that we can learn more about the basics.
In this video, we're going to learn how to multiply with 10, 100 and 1000. Multiply with 10 is very easy. We should just add 1 0 to the number you're multiplying. Let's see how it works. Let's say we have 3 times 10. 3 times 10, remember, is a repeated addition of 3 tens. 10 plus 10 plus 10, which equals to 30. You know this, we just need to add 1 0 to number 3. So what is 7 times 10? We just add 1 0 to 7, which is 70. 51 times 10 is 510, because we just add 1 0 to 51. 346 times 10 is actually 3460. We just add 10 to 346. Now let's look at how to multiply with 100. Similar to multiply by 10, which we add 10, multiply with 100, we add 2 zeros to the number. Let's look at some examples. 5 times 100 is 500. We just add 2 zeros to number 5. 32 times 100 is 3200. We should add 2 zeros to number 32. 256 times 100 is 25,600. How do you multiply 1000? Now 1000 has 3 zeros, so we just add 3 zeros to the number we multiply. For example, 2 times 1000 is 2000, because we just add 3 zeros to the number 2. 47 times 1000 is 47,000. And 256 times 1000 is 256,000. Let's look at how we can apply this trick to multiply big numbers. We first multiply the digits and we add the total number of zeros you can see to the number to get your answers. Let's look at how to multiply 30 times 50. First, we multiply the digits. 3 times 5, which is we get 15. And we can see there's 1 0 on 30 and another 0 on 50. So, in total, we should add 2 zeros to your answer. So, the answer we get for 30 times 50 is 1500. Let's look at how to multiply 21 times 20. First, we multiply the digits. 21 times 2, we should get 42. And we can only see 1 0 on the number 20. So we add 1 0 at the answer, which we get 420. Next, we look at how to multiply 200 times 40. So we multiply the digits first. 2 times 4 is 8. Now we can see there's 2 zeros on 200 and 1 0 on 40. So we should add 3 zeros at the back of number 8. We should get 8,000. Next, we look at 400 times 300. We start by multiplying the digits. 4 times 3 is 12. Now we can see there are 2 zeros in 400 and another 2 zeros in 300. In total, we should add 4 zeros to the number 12. Your answer is 120,000. So what about 2000 times 30? We start by multiplying the digits. 2 times 3 is 6. So we have 3 zeros in 2000 and another 0 in 30. So in total, we should add 4 zeros. Your answer is 60,000. Finally, we're going to look at how to multiply 3000 times 200. So we start by multiplying the digits. 3 times 2 is 6. Now we can see there are 3 zeros in 3000 and another 2 zeros in 200. In total, we should add 5 zeros in your number 6. Your answer you should get is 600,000. let's try to test yourself. See if you can answer these following questions as fast as possible. Ready? Let's go!
And thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like, share our video and subscribe for more videos to come.